Let's take a look. This line is parallel to this line, right?
Yes.
So this two angle is called corresponding angle, right?
Mm-hmm. So they will equal.
Yeah, so who plus who equals to 76?
27 plus, 27 plus x equals 76.
Good job. So x equals to what?
X equals to 49.
Perfect. That's nice. Now, they also ask us to get y. Look at y. This two line is parallel.
Yes.
You just did a question in your online quiz just now. This two angle is called what?
Interior angle.
Interconsecutive angle.
Yes.
So these two plus together equals how much?
180.
Yes.
So
So y equals how much?
76. Wait.
Perfect.
Yeah, 76.
Yay, that's it. Now let's do the second one. They ask you to find angle TDK. So based on this graph, what do you think TDK should equal?
This graph. TDK.
I draw 8 lines, okay? This line is going to be parallel to both of these two lines. So
36 plus 31.
Yes, that's it.
Which equals to 67.
67. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, now let's look at the number 3. Okay, let's look at number 3.
Find the value of x so that one parallel to n. So 7x plus 3 equals to 9x minus 5.
Really? Watch out. This is 7x plus 3.
Yeah.
And this guy is corresponding angle, right?
Yes.
So suppose you can write down here, right?
Yeah.
Now what's your new equation?
9x minus 5 plus 7x plus 3 equals 180.
Right.
So solving that.
I can tell, Sophia, you are smart girls, okay? But sometimes you are not very careful. Yeah, you don't want to lose. This question could take you off 5 points. You don't want to miss that, okay? Go ahead and calculate the x.
Yes. I'm gonna get my squash paper.
X equals to how much?
I need to solve it.
You see, 182. 18 divided by 16 is 1. You leave a 32. 32 over 16 is 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If you want to do this by your hand, that's okay. All right. Right.
It's like a
That's what's going on. All right. Okay. Now look at number 4. I want you to look at number 4 and tell me what 2 equations you want to have. Okay. What 2 equations you want to write down? System of linear equation between x and y.
3y. Find the x values and y's that make the dashed line. 3y plus 8 equals 19x plus 10.
Yes.
And then 9x plus 10 plus 4x plus 9 equals 180.
Yes. Then you go ahead and solve your xy. Do solve this system linear equation now.
Yeah.
X equals how much?
Um, 7.
Yes, good job. Now you can calculate
Okay.
your y.
3y plus 8.
That you can plug it into here. Okay.
Yeah, 19.
Okay. So how much is your y?
Um,
45, right?
no, I got something different.
Let's check.
Oh, you plugged in with the dot. I plugged it in with number 19x plus 10. We should get the same answer.
It's okay. Let's check. You have 3y plus 8 plus 4x plus 9 equals to 180, right?
Yes.
So that's 3y plus 8 is 17 plus 4 times 7 is 28. That's equals to 180. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
These two together is 45. 180 minus 45 equals to 135, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then y equals to 45, correct?
Yes.
That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's be careful about those calculations. Even it's very simple, but we still want to get everything correct to get the full points. Now look at number 5. Okay, go ahead. What do you think you want to list your equation? This angle is 5x. And this angle over here is 11y. This is 4x minus 7. Here is 19y minus 7. Okay.
4x minus 7 equals 11y.
Yes.
And then 5x equals to 19y minus 7.
Perfect. Now go ahead and solve the system linear equation. Okay. You want to see how you want to solve this system linear equation. This is if I were you, I'm going to switch.
Move over.
Yeah, I'm going to switch. I'm going to move 5x minus 19y. equals negative 4x plus 11y equals to negative 7, right? Yes. And how do you do next?
Then you
want to, you want to times it. Yeah, you want to get rid of them. 19 and 11 is too big. You don't want to times 11 for here, times 19 for here. You want to times 4 for this. You want to times 5 for this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead and do your calculation. Algebra 1 is the foundation for geometry, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like you're building a very huge castle. All the base part, each layer is very important. Now I'm going to times the top one by 4.
Negative 21y equals to negative 53.
So you have this. Hey, hold on. What's the right value? What's this part? Negative 21y equals how much? Say one more time.
Negative 63. I mean,
okay.
Yeah, negative 63.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you divide it by 21, right?
Yes.
This is negative 63. So y equals how much?
3.
Positive 3. Now you put it back.
And you solve for both of them.
Does that make sense now?
Yep.
So the geometry part is not so that hard, but getting 100 is not easy either, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to pay attention to all those algebra calculation, right? Now let's look at the number 6. This is corresponding to what you are learning right now. Exactly. Yes?
Yes.
Use the given information. Which line, if any, can you conclude that are parallel? Justify each conclusion with a reason. Okay. So if they say angle 12 equals to angle 7, then who is going to parallel to who? If these two angles equal, who is going to parallel? This guy and this guy, right? This guy is a transverse line. This is a parallel line. This two is a alternative interior angle, right? Okay. So you say F is parallel to E, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do 19 and 1. It's good that I have so many colors pen to use. Okay. Yeah, 19 and 1. Angle 19 and angle 1. Not really, because this angle and this angle are not, they are not those corresponding angle, alternative interior angle, consecutive interior angle, right? Yeah, these two, from these two, you cannot give any conclusion, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one is not. Let's see, angle 14 and angle 6. Okay, and I can erase the previous thing. Angle 14 and angle 6. Now you tell me who is parallel to who.
Um,
Hmm?
14 and 16.
No, 14 and 6.
Oh, 14 and
6.
6.
Yeah,
They
here.
are, they,
Which line is parallel to which line?
line H is parallel to line G.
Good job. G is parallel to H because your two lines is G and H, and your transverse is this guy. This two is corresponding angle, right? Now let's do angle 1 and angle 13.
Yep.
And angle 1 and angle 13. Who are they?
They are none. They're not parallel. Well, they could.
Angle 1 and angle 13. This guy, look, this guy equals to this guy, right?
Yes.
And this guy equals to this guy. This two is called, you have to write down this. If you didn't write down this, and now you need to remember this guy. Angle 1 and angle 13 is called a alternative exterior angle. Oh, so this is not none. This is who is parallel to who?
F is parallel to E.
Yes, F is parallel to E. So you have to pay attention to this, okay?
Yep.
All right. Now last one, angle 5 and angle 17. Angle 5 and angle 17 is supplementary. So this is called what angle?
Interior.
Interior consecutive angle, right?
Yes.
What conclusion can you make about who is parallel to who?
Line T and S.
Yes, line T is parallel to line S. That's it. Feel better now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we want to go through this kind of thing to make yourself very quick during the test. Is that true that right now teacher makes those kind of test or quiz very short to avoid students from cheating, right?
Yes.
So they make it very short unless you are very good at those topics. Otherwise, you might get a little mistake here and there. A lot of points take off. Now let's look at this. Angle 1, okay. Angle 1 is 110. Right? Angle 12 is 30 degrees. Okay. Now they ask you to find out angle 11. Yeah, give a try. Angle 11 should equals to how much?
Um, 110.
110, because these two angles are called corresponding angle. Angle 7. Let's look at angle 7, okay? Yeah, angle 7. You were given C and D, these two lines parallel. So angle 7 should equals to how much?
30?
Yes, good. That's correct. Angle 5.
Angle 5 is...
Oh, this one we have to carefully calculate, right? Because
Wait,
Uh,
I think it's 40 degrees.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Because here is 70. Here together is 70. Now angle 7, angle 4 is equals to 30. So angle 5 is 40, right? Very good job. 30 plus 40 equals 70. That's the reason. Okay. Angle 16.
Angle 16. 110.
Very good. This guy is equals to this guy, right? And this guy equals this guy. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, 110. And angle 6. Angle 6 is how much?
110.
Yes, 110 again. Very good. Nice work. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. We will combine algebra and the geometry knowledge together. Okay.
Okay.
And they said using the diagram in 7. Okay, so I put this graph over here. And let's see, number 8. Look at this. Angle 1 is this. And angle 18 is this. You know?
Yes.
So what's the equation you want to list?
I could just do angle 1 equals to angle 18.
Yes. Okay, now solve this one. How do you feel high school now? Tough?
It's really a lot of work. Because,
Yes.
I forgot today because I was in the middle of, doing ELA. So,
ELA is also tough, right?
yes, ELA is the main reason why I'm struggling in high school right now.
Oh, a lot of writing.
Yes.
And a lot of reading. Yeah.
Yes. A lot of stuff.
Okay. As long as you don't have a too mean teacher, it's okay. Sometimes it's not lucky. Clemens have some really bad ELA teacher for the English one.
Yes. I have a nice teacher. It's just
Okay.
it's just the district just gives us a lot of work to go with it.
Right. Okay. That's lucky enough. Okay. Let's see. Did you get this guy here?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do this one. Angle 8 and angle 13. Okay. So you can list what equation?
Angle 8, 13. 3x plus 3 over 4x plus 2 equals to x minus 14.
Yes, let's do it. Yeah, do your own and compare with my answer. Okay. You got same answer?
Yep.
Good job. Very good. Let's do number 10.
6. 3x plus 15 plus 2x minus 5 equals 180.
Yeah, this guy and this guy, yeah, they plus together.
Equals 180.
That's true. When you have 5x equals 170, when you want to do 170 over 5, okay, I teach you a quick way of calculate this. If you divide by 5, you always times 10 and divide by 2. You see?
Uh-huh.
Hold on. It's you times 2 divided by 10. Okay, I do the opposite. So this easily give you a 34. Yes?
Yes.
17 times 2 is 34. That 0 can be gone. In that way, you can calculate this answer quickly. Okay?
Okay.
Now, quadratic comes in. Okay? Look at the number 11. You have 13 and 8. Yeah, you can go ahead and solve this guy. This is the time to do our quadratic equations.
13 and 8. Ah, you know.
How much is your grade right now, average for geometry?
I have to check. I forgot.
Above 95?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe. Checking right now.
Okay.
I mean, it's right on 95.
All right. Yeah, we want to improve even better because this
Oh,
class.
wait. It's a 97. Sorry.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. This class might be the easiest math class from now on. Okay. There's no more easy class after geometry. After you solve this quadratic, what's your x value?
I haven't solved it yet because I went to search up the.
All right, go ahead, check it and solve it.
It was solved for x.
Yes.
X equals to -2 or +6.
Yeah. If x equals -2, you want to check because your angle has to be positive, right?
Yes.
So you need to plug in. Because this left and this right are equal, so you can plug in into the right one. That's good enough, right? So you want to make sure you get positive one, right?
Yeah.
This guy is positive, so x equals -2 is possible. Now, when x equals to +6, now that angle is also positive. Yeah, for sure, everybody is positive. Their summation is also positive. So you have two solutions over here. That makes sense?
Yes.
X is not your angle value. This expression is your angle value. So you want to check this expression positive or negative. Correct? Okay, yeah. And also be careful when they ask you solve what, and you want to make sure it's better also get this angle. Measure of angle 8 equals to how much? Measure of angle 13 equals to how much? Give the exact value, okay? All right. Number 12.
Number
This
12.
time, angle 7 is 50 degree.
Oh,
Okay. Angle 7 is 50 degree.
okay. 3x minus y equals 50.
Good.
And then you move y over, move 50 over. So it's 3x minus 50 equals to y.
Now, the other one, angle 12. Angle 12 is equals to angle 7, right?
Yes.
Yeah, angle 12 is
2x.
going to equal 7.
So 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 50.
Okay.
It's like
Now we
40.
can continue. Yeah.
Okay.
So we can use a substitution method also.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, my phone was not off.
Yeah, you can go ahead and solve your equation, system equation, okay? Your sister is in which grade? Remember, we drew this kind of thing in summer. Yes? If you kind of like forget, let's review this, okay? They give you C is parallel to D, and angle 7 equals to angle 10. Now, based on this, they want you to prove that angle A is parallel to, line A is parallel to line B, right? Yes. We did this in the flow chart. We also did this in 2-column way, right? Correct? Yeah. So we always start from the given condition, you know, since this guy was given. So we always write down given. Okay. We write down given C is parallel to D. And if C is parallel to D, we definitely can use some angle theorem. If C is parallel D, yeah, we can tell angle 10 is going to equals to angle 15, right? Yes, these two lines parallel. This is a transverse line. So angle 10 and angle 15, these two angles are what angle? Okay, alternate interior angle.
Yes, alternate.
Yeah. Yeah. So we get angle 10 equals to angle 15. And we are given angle 7 equals angle 10, right?
Yes.
Angle 7 and angle 10 equal. So this is given. Now, this equals this equals this. So this 3 equal. We can call this one angle 15 and angle 7 directly equal. This is those thing called transitive property, right? Yes. We always use this property. If A equals to B, B equals C, and then A equals C, that's based on transitive property, okay? Right?
Yes.
And based on here, we get that conclusion. Now, angle 7, angle 15 equal. If these two angles equal, then we tell these two lines equal. What's the theorem to support this? Remember when we learned about if A, yeah, that's a converse.
Yeah,
if A, then B, correct?
Yes.
So the converse is if B, then A, right?
Yeah.
Right. So this is called converse to corresponding angle theorem. Yeah, angle 7 and angle 15 are corresponding angle. If these two equal, then this two line is parallel. If we say if these two lines parallel, then they're corresponding equal. That is corresponding angle theorem. But if we see these two corresponding angle equal, then the two line parallel, that's called the converse, right? This is what we practice during the logical puzzle for the syllogism, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you do well with the syllogism test? The teacher teach that part, right?
No.
Oh, your school didn't teach that part.
Well, we have, but it's not as difficult as this is.
Okay.
Like we've only done just like solving algebraic equations using this, like transitive property, the addition property, the subtraction property.
All right. Yeah. That's why Clemens is way more tough than Austin High.
Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
You are already very lucky not going to Clemens.
Does your daughter go to Clemens?
Yes.
Oh.
It's horrible.
Yeah, I heard.
It is so stressful. The problem is the teacher only pick the easiest part to teach. And the test and the quiz are very difficult. Yeah, it's very funny. Today I teach a calculus student, and he showed me the example that teacher gave. The teacher gives the two easiest example for those type of question, and he remembers some test questions, so he asked me those test questions. It's so far away from the example the teacher list. It's so far away. Yeah, it's like totally two classes difference. But the teacher will never ever teach the hard part. Now let's do this. Let's do the statement, okay? The way to survive for high school is you learn the hard thing early, okay? You learn it early, like 1 year early or 1 semester early. Then you can survive. Okay, statement and reason, all right? Yeah. So we write down C is parallel to D. What's the reason?
C is parallel to D.
You know, those on side are
interior.
given, right?
Yeah.
Given, yes.
Alternating, yes. It is given, yes.
Yeah.
And then 7, angle 7.
Hold on, we want to write down this kind of thing first. Okay, yeah, this to get connected.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Angle 10.
To angle 15 is alternate interior angle theorem.
Okay, yeah.
And then the given is as angle 7 equals to angle 10. That's given.
Now we want to write down the other branch. Angle 7 equals to angle 10. Oh, that's given.
Yes.
Okay. And then next,
angle 7 equals to angle 15 because of the transitive property.
Okay.
And then A is parallel to B due to the converse to corresponding angle theorem.
Okay. You see, you can do very well now. Remember in summer, when I first introduced this thing, you don't like this kind of proof, right?
Yeah, I still don't like the proof.
But you are not afraid of it now.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, that's it. Okay. Now we need to be able to do this way and also this way, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we need to be able to do both way. Now, wow, they have more questions. Now, oh, this is the time I need to check you, okay? Let's do this. Yeah, I need to challenge you doing this question. How do we do this? We don't want to write down those flowchart immediately for one time. We want to first, like test drive, okay? Let's do the test drive. EC parallel to EF, BC. And when I was given the parallel condition, I'm going to mark that this means these two lines parallel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the BA is parallel to ED. Okay. Now, angle 1 plus angle 3. So we can say, now let's do this, okay? We always use given, you know?
Yes, given is BC is parallel to EF.
Okay, yeah. So you say it and I write down, all right?
And then the other given is BA is parallel to ED. And prove angle 1 plus angle 3 equals to 1. Okay.
Angle 2, yeah. BC.
Angle, you say angle,
These two parallel, does these two equal?
yes, so angle 2 and angle 3 equal together because of, in corresponding angles.
Theorem, right?
Yes.
All right. Now, BA is parallel to ED.
So that means angle 1 and angle 2 equals to 180.
Angle 1 plus.
Oh yeah, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180. That's because is it alternate interior angles?
No, this is
no, it's not.
we did this one for your quiz today, just now.
Supplementary? Wait. No, supplementary.
Consecutive.
Oh, consecutive. Consecutive angles.
Consecutive interior.
Interior angle, yeah. Yes. Okay, I gotta remember that. Theorem.
Okay, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you could put angle equals 180 because of the I forgot what it's called, but it's like A equals to C.
Yeah. What's that name?
Reflexive property? Or is it some Transitive? Transitive? Wait, I have it in my notes.
Go ahead and look for your notes. Look for your school notes. Let's make sure we get that one correct.
Okay. Transitive property?
The school teacher use that way, right?
Yes. The
Okay.
school teacher uses A equals B and B equals C, then A equals A. A equals C. Transitive property.
Okay. Yeah. Now, I also give you the solution over here. Let's go through number 16 quickly, okay? Yeah, look at this. A is parallel to B, right?
Yes.
And now, yeah. And angle 8 is equals to angle 9. Now you want to prove that angle 2 equals to angle 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So we always starting from given. Given
A is parallel
to B. Good. Yeah. And you see, even you have trouble for doing the whole thing, but you can write down as much as you can to win your points, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, the teacher have to give you points based on you write down this, you know? A is parallel to B, so you mark this.
Yes.
Okay.
That means that angle 2 equals to angle
6.
6.
No, angle 8. Here is angle 8. Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
it's angle 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Angle
So,
2 is equal to angle 8 because
angle 2 is equal. The corresponding angle, right?
Yes, corresponding
That's one.
to.
Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Angle 2 equals to angle 10. Angle 2 equals to angle 8 here.
Yes, not 10.
Yeah. Angle 2 equals to angle 8. Now, angle 9 equals to angle 10 because the vertical angle, right?
Yes, vertical angle.
Angle 9 equals to angle 10.
Because of
Vertical angle.
Angle. And then you put them all there. Where angle 10 is.
And all of them together gives you
angle 2 equals to angle 10 because of
angle 2 equals to angle 10. This guy equals to angle 8. Angle 8 equals to angle 9. Angle 9 equals to angle 10. So this is still transitive property. You see this guy was using so often, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So we have to be careful. All right. This guy was used so much. Oops. I'm going to just write down. You see, at the beginning, we may struggling doing this question, but after we list this one here, right? Yes. And then we list this one here. This was given, you know?
Yes.
So you see here, 2 and 8 and 9 equal. So you know 2 equals to 9. Now your conclusion is 2 equals to 10. So as long as you can prove 9 equals 10, then you are done. How can you prove 9 equals 10? So we focus on our question to here. That's a vertical angle.
Yes.
Problem solved. That's the procedure. Yes?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Does this make sense to you?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the way to prove. Okay. Nobody likes the proof, but this is the way of proving.
Yeah.
You write down, even you struggling, but you are able to write down all of the given condition, you know?
Yeah.
So you write down here, you write down here. And now you see, oh, 8 and 9 equals to 2 equals to 9. This is your destination. Yeah, you want to go there, you know? And then you see, oh, as long as I get 9 equals 10, problem solved. So everybody focus on here. And who is that? Vertical angle. This is the correct way of doing the proof, okay?
Yep.
Yeah. But if you don't write down anything, you just look at here and then too many angles, you got confused. Then you say, oh, I give up. Then you get the 0 points. You keep writing down until you totally got this one. Okay. Yeah. Even, you're running out of time, but you write down here, and you still put the conclusion over there.
You get most.
Yes. Okay. That's a way of getting most points. Okay. Yeah, this is those free response questions. That's how you get the most of the points. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions?
I don't think so.
I'm going to give you a blank version of this. Make sure you practice. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Make sure you practice, and you print out the blank version and send me your
work.
Yes. To message. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. That's for today's class.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.